everybody. My name is Wynn. I am a reference librarian at the Central Branch, and I'm here today to teach you how to make something super easy, super simple with materials you probably already have around your house. We are going to make today laundry deodorizer. So let's get started. Today you are going to need 3 ingredients, and the first one of those is salt. I am using kosher salt today because it's what I have on hand, but you can use rock salt, you can use Himalayan pink salt. Second ingredient, baking soda. Third, most essential ingredient, literally, essential oils. I have a couple here. There's one that's cedarwood. This one is lemon. Nice, clean, simple smells, and just they make you happy. So, very, very simple. Get a bowl, get salt. It's about 1.5 cups. Roughly, 1.5 cups of salt. Baking powder, about 1/2 cup of baking powder. And then about 20 or 30 drops of whatever you want this to smell like. So if I wanted it to smell kind of powerfully and I wanted a mix of lemon and ginger, I could put in 15 drops of one and 15 drops of the other. And then mix it up. And that right there is exciting as it gets. Don't forget to label it. You don't want to eat this. Ta-da! When you wash, you can put in as much as you want. I like to put in about 1 tablespoon, maybe 2. So there we go. That takes about maybe a minute, and you end up with something awesome to make your house smell nicer. I have another fun project, though, that is, again, just a couple of minutes, involves things you probably already have in your house or can get a hold of very easily, that also uses essential oils. You just need water and oils. And a bottle. If you have it, you can use something like this. This is witch hazel. Basically, all you're going to do is take a bottle. You can use a little guy like this that's specifically made for it, or something like this, just a household cleaner bottle. Fill it halfway with water, fill it halfway with this, or you can just use water. And then, again, about 20 or 30 drops of whatever your essential oil is. You shake it up, and then you have a room deodorizer. You can just spray it around your house. I know for a fact you can make one mixing up things like cloves, cinnamon, and ginger and make your house smell like pie. So let us know what you think.